How do you define hard work?
Hard work means putting in consistent effort and time to achieve goals.
How do you define smart work?
Smart work means achieving goals efficiently using creative methods and strategies.
How can you balance hard work and smart work?
You can balance them by working hard with proper planning and time management.
How can you turn hard work into smart work?
You can turn hard work into smart work by analyzing results and improving your methods.
How can you improve your smart work skills?
You can improve smart work skills by learning from experience and using technology wisely.
How does he prefer to complete his tasks?
He prefers to complete his tasks with smart planning instead of long hours.
How does she achieve success in her projects?
She achieves success by combining hard work with innovative ideas.
How do they manage their workload effectively?
They manage their workload by prioritizing tasks and focusing on key results.
How does it help to plan before working?
It helps save time and increases productivity by avoiding unnecessary steps.
How does this method improve performance?
This method improves performance by reducing stress and focusing on quality work.
Why does Ali believe in hard work?
Ali believes in hard work because he thinks effort brings long-term success.
Why does Sarah prefer smart work?
Sarah prefers smart work because it saves time and energy.
Why do people admire hard workers?
People admire hard workers because they show dedication and persistence.
Why do students often choose smart work for exams?
Students choose smart work to learn quickly and score better with less effort.
Why is hard work important for beginners?
Hard work builds discipline and a strong foundation for future success.
How can a teacher teach smart work to students?
A teacher can teach smart work through planning, time management, and study tricks.
How can workers improve their efficiency?
Workers can improve efficiency by organizing tasks and using modern tools.
How can a businessman use smart work to grow faster?
A businessman can grow faster by automating tasks and delegating responsibilities.
How can an artist work smartly?
An artist can work smartly by focusing on creativity and learning new techniques.
How can athletes benefit from smart training?
Athletes can benefit by training with proper techniques instead of only long hours.
What makes hard work powerful?
Hard work builds character, patience, and determination to face challenges.
What makes smart work more effective?
Smart work uses strategies that save time and deliver better outcomes.
What happens when someone only works hard without planning?
They waste time and may not get the best results.
What happens when someone works smart without effort?
They may fail because planning alone cannot replace consistent effort.
What results come from combining both methods?
Combining both methods leads to faster and long-lasting success.
How do successful people use hard and smart work together?
Successful people work hard with smart strategies to achieve big goals.
How do lazy people misunderstand smart work?
Lazy people think smart work means avoiding effort, which is not true.
How do leaders promote smart work in companies?
Leaders promote it by encouraging innovation and better time management.
How do employees benefit from smart work techniques?
Employees finish tasks faster and enjoy more free time.
How do students use smart work in study plans?
Students use summaries, short notes, and practice tests to study faster.
What is the key difference between both types of work?
Hard work needs more time, while smart work focuses on methods.
What is more useful in modern jobs?
Smart work is more useful because technology supports efficiency.
What is the secret behind success in business?
The secret is working smartly with focus and creativity.
What does smart work teach about priorities?
Smart work teaches you to focus on what truly matters first.
What does hard work teach about life?
Hard work teaches patience, discipline, and self-control.
What can hardworking people learn from smart workers?
They can learn better ways to save time and avoid burnout.
What can smart workers learn from hard workers?
They can learn consistency and the value of perseverance.
What do great leaders prefer between the two?
Great leaders prefer a balance of hard and smart work.
What makes a person successful faster?
Smart work helps achieve goals faster with less energy.
What helps you grow stronger mentally?
Hard work builds strength, confidence, and endurance.
How can a student make studying smarter?
A student can make studying smarter by using memory techniques and planning.
How can an employee become more productive?
An employee can plan tasks and use time blocking techniques.
How can an entrepreneur use both skills?
An entrepreneur can work hard to start and smart to expand the business.
How can technology support smart work?
Technology helps automate tasks and organize schedules effectively.
How can teamwork become smarter?
Teamwork becomes smarter when everyone focuses on their strengths.
Why do some people fail even after hard work?
They fail because they lack direction and smart strategies.
Why is smart work becoming more popular today?
It's popular because it saves time and fits the fast modern lifestyle.
Why should you plan before working?
Planning helps avoid mistakes and improves results.
Why should companies promote smart work?
Companies benefit from higher productivity and lower stress levels.
Why should students use both methods?
They learn discipline from hard work and creativity from smart work.
How does experience turn hard work into smart work?
Experience teaches shortcuts and better decision making.
How does technology make smart work easier?
Technology offers apps, tools, and automation that improve speed.
How does focus play a role in smart work?
Focus helps complete important tasks without wasting time.
How do goals change your working style?
Clear goals guide you to work both hard and smart.
How does hard work prepare you for smart work?
It builds patience and knowledge to make smart decisions later.
How does smart work reduce stress?
It reduces stress by managing time and avoiding extra pressure.